What's going on, everyone? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it again. We're on day 18 of the hot compost pile. Everything's going really well. Everything's breaking down. The color is starting to turn into a darker brown, black material now, which is awesome. It's showing that everything's breaking down. Just continuing to turn, incorporate water. If it needs it. If it doesn't need it, I'm not putting any water in. We want the consistency of like a wet or slightly damp, wrung out sponge. So let's get into it. Two things. The top of the pile is looking really nice right now. This side here is looking a little drier, so I got to definitely make sure I get this into the center. And the top of the pile is just a little over 100 degrees. Okay, center's still looking around 110. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn it again on Wednesday. Day 21. The top of the bin, or top of the compost pile, still holding good right around that 100-degree mark. Okay, I hope the color is coming through. It is breaking down nice. Only like a 98 degrees on the inside. So what I'm gonna do, I have one last bag of grass clippings. I'm gonna add that in as I incorporate everything back into a big pile. That's what's good. Bacteria and fungus starting to break down the grass clippings. 21 days so far. It definitely is breaking down. So I'm going to go ahead, keep watching it, keep watering it, keep turning it, and we'll just see how it keeps going. It's looking great right now. This is a ton of compost in comparison with the very first batch I ever did. It was probably only about that high, so and not as wide. So it is pretty neat. I can't wait to start getting it out on the soil so I can go ahead and start growing in it and letting it break down even more in the soil, put some more beneficial bacteria in there and help get some worms and get this soil breaking down, so we'll have a nice rich soil hopefully for the start of next year, and just keep doing it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.